In this lesson, we're going to talk about what's called flash fill in Excel. Flash fill is a process where Excel can take a bit of data, whether it's last names, comma, first name, or some other format, and figure out the pattern and take the data and break it apart for you automatically. So I've got a file open from lesson 2 called customers. And I'm going to put my cursor, I'm going to select the cell of B2, it's the first name column. And I'm simply going to type Alice. Hit enter. And I'm going to type Aiden. And it starts to pick up and understand what I'm trying to do. And I simply have to hit enter. And it automatically fills the rest of the information down, all the way down through row 22. I can do the same thing for last name. Type in the first last name, hit enter, start typing the last name of the second one, and it will automatically fill those in for you, and all you have to do is hit enter. And now you have first name and last name separated into two different columns.